everyone. This is Sanjana. Welcome back to our channel, English with Sanjana. Today we are back with a new video on days of the week in French. Day is a unit of time, so they are very important when we construct sentences in any language. So my mother is going to help you pronounce days of the week in French. Friends, are you ready? If you are ready, we can start the lesson. Days of the week in French.
Les jours de la semaine.
As I said in the introduction, I am going to pronounce the days of the week in English. My mother will help you pronounce the days of the week in French. In English, Monday. In French,
Lundi.
in English, Tuesday. In French,
Mardi.
in English, Wednesday. In French,
Mercredi.
in English, Thursday. In French,
Jeudi.
in English, Friday. In French,
Vendredi.
in English, Saturday. In French,
Samedi.
in English, Sunday. In French,
Dimanche.
that's all for the days of the week. Now you can repeat days of the week only in French after my mother.
Répétez après moi. Lundi. Mardi. Mercredi. Jeudi. Vendredi. Samedi. Dimanche.
This is the end of my presentation on days of the week in French. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you find this video interesting and useful, subscribe to our channel and alarm the notification bell. Don't forget to share this video. I will see you in my next video.